So you finally made the switch from Google Drive to Nextcloud, but you're probably missing Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Now that you're self-hosting your own cloud storage system, you need a solution that integrates a similar suite of Office apps into your Nextcloud. Let me show you how to install OnlyOffice on your Nextcloud instance. So first you want to go to your profile icon and apps. Now once you're in apps, go ahead and click on Office and Text. And we're going to look for Community Document Server right here. So let's go ahead and download and enable that first. And now that that's installed, we go to keep scrolling down here until you see OnlyOffice, the OnlyOffice app. So again, click on download and enable that. And now that everything is goes from that dark blue color to the light blue, lets you know that everything's installed. So now we should be able to go into our administration settings here. And as you can see, OnlyOffice is there. And as long as you see all of these options here, your OnlyOffice server is already running and integrated with Nextcloud. Let me show you how. All right, so let's go to our files and let's create a new file. Now you can see that there's options for new document, new presentation, new spreadsheet, and new PDF form. That's how you know OnlyOffice is working. And now let me show you how it works. Click on New Document, and I'm going to call mine Test. And as you can see, the extension is docx, so it uses all of Office 365's latest file types, including um, XLSX. Let's create this document. And there you go. The document's already there. So now all we got to do is just write testing 2, 3, and then now when we go back to our files, now mind you, I didn't save this. I didn't click save or anything. Let's go back to our files, and voila. It's there, just like Google Docs does. Now, we don't have to keep this in this file either, right? We can create a new one, new folder, test, enter. And just like in Google Drive, we just drag and drop. Now, if you have a document that you need to edit, let's say from work or somebody else, it's already a docx, you simply upload it into your Nextcloud and then click on the file. And just like in Google Drive and Office 365, it automatically opens it up in the document editor. That's it. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below. Just so you know, I'm using a Docker container for this one here, but it shouldn't make a difference. All you got to do is just add those same two apps, and that's it. Take it easy.